Hop and bop, hop and bop, hop and bop with HummyBop. Hop and bop, hop and bop, hop and bop with HummyBop.
Daddy, what's your ABC?
Let's drive through it. Ride with me.
From A to T, we're shifting gears. Cars so cool, let's give 3 cheers.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
A's for Aston, sleek and bright, silver shine in the morning light.
B's for Bentley, bold and wide, glides like a cloud on a royal ride.
E's for electric, quiet and clean, zooming ahead with a futuristic gleam.
F is for Ferrari, red and fast, it
Roars so loud as it zooms right past. G is for baby G, tiny and tough. It's little and boxy but plenty rough.
J is for Jaguar, smooth and sly, it purrs like a cat as it passes by.
K is for Phonics, sharp and rare, so fast it feels like it's flying through air.
L is for Lambo, loud and bold, doors go up, watch the magic unfold.
M is for McLaren, cool and low, orange streak with a supercar glow. P is for Porsche, classic and clean, zips through curves like a racing machine.
T is for Tesla, quiet and quick, no gas, all zap with a digital trick.
That's Daddy's alphabet. A to T, the coolest cars for you and me. Now close your eyes, pretend to drive. Let's take one more vroom before we say goodbye.
Vroom!
Good night, little co-driver.